Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some hair that I got from a company by the name of Tadese Tresses. Okay, it is a Nigerian owned Canadian based company that sells luxury hair, specializing in providing raw extensions. So this company sells Cambodian, Vietnamese, as well as Indian hair. Cambodian and the Vietnamese comes in straight and wavy patterns with silky and coarse textures. The Indian hair also comes in the silky and coarse textures, but they have more patterns. They actually have wavy, straight, as well as curly patterns. At the moment, they only have closures, but they are working on bringing frontals to their site. So because you are getting raw hair, they actually do take requests. So if you want your hair to be lighter in color, darker in color, or if you want your hair to be like silkier or more coarse, or if you're getting like a wavy pattern, you want it to be more wavy, or curly pattern and you want it to be more curly or less wavy, you can actually request that at checkout in the little note section. So that's something that I think is amazing. That's what I really love about companies that carry raw hair, because you actually get the type of texture that you are looking for. Another thing that I really like is that they have 5x5 closures, which give you a lot of versatility because you have more room to play with, more parting space. So that's going to be amazing. Okay, so really quick, I'm going to show you the packaging. It did come from Canada, so it is a little beat up. Just excuse that. But this is what the packaging actually did look like. It's very nice packaging. Okay, so it says Tadase luxury virgin hair extensions. It has this pretty little bow right here. Everything is written in gold. So this is how it is packaged inside, and each individual piece, which will be your bundles as well as your closure if you choose to order one, will come in like separate satchels. Okay, so this is the satin satchel, and I believe this is the closure because it's lightweight. Yes, this is the closure. So this is what the closure looks like, and as you can see, it's not that long, and that's because I opted to do like a shorter hairstyle. Okay, but this is what it looks like. So it's going to come just like this. So the packaging is really nice. It comes in a hairnet, and this is the pattern. It's like a wavy. It's very pretty. Okay, so this one, so this is the Vietnamese Wavy, and this is in 14 inches, and I have 3 bundles of 14 inches as well as a matching closure. All right, I just love how beautiful this pattern is and how natural it is. I really just wanted a really short look for school, but I still wanted to have some type of wave pattern. That's why I opted for the wavy. I absolutely love Vietnamese hair. It's one of my favorite textures, as y'all know. So I cannot wait to install this hair. It smells really good. I'm not sure what they use to wash the hair, but you can tell that they washed it. It smells so good. Oh, it smells heavenly. Well, the closure definitely does not have as much of a wave pattern as the bundle. But yeah, we will see what it looks like once my unit is made. That is fine with me because I'm pretty sure it's gonna hold a curl very well if I do decide to curl it or whatever I choose to do. I know that it's gonna look really nice. So I cannot wait to see what this looks like. But yes. Okay, let me see about the shedding. Okay, as I'm running my fingers through the hair, I'm not getting any shedding whatsoever, which is kind of rare because a lot of the times when you get raw hair sheds a lot, but I'm not getting really any shedding. The wefting looks pretty good. You could tell that it's tight, so that's probably why it is not shedding. It's not like a loose tied weft, so I really like this. All right, so that's pretty much it for now. Definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna have another video once I install the hair, letting y'all know how, you know, it's holding up so far. And yeah, definitely check the links in the bottom bar because I'm gonna have all the information on Tadese Tresses down there, okay? All the social media handles and all that good stuff, all right? So stay tuned for part 2, which will be in like a week or so, okay? So I thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I will speak to my next video. Bye, y'all.